Hi there. In this quick video I'm going to take a look at this USB Type-C 3.1 to HDMI and VGA adapter that I got from eBay. As you can see, it doesn't seem to be any known brand. It's basically as close to a no name as it can get, but hopefully it does work. So let's quickly unbox this thing. I don't know if there is any good information in here, but here it is. You can pause and read it. They didn't even bother to check what is actually in the box, in the bag. Maybe this will help. I don't know if it's some kind of part number or something like that. On the unit itself, absolutely nothing. It's heavy enough, but I think most of that comes from the aluminum casing here. Seems well built. Anyway, the idea with this thing is that I'm starting to use my phone for recording my YouTube videos when I work on random stuff around the house. But as you know, phone screen you cannot really point it in your direction. If I try to see the screen better, I don't have everything in view. So yeah, I need to connect this to its USB Type-C port, and hopefully this to my monitor that I have on the wall. Right there, that monitor I was using for testing computers when I worked more on computers. So hopefully I can see on that thing what I have in frame and if it's in focus or not. The problem that might come with this thing is that it has a really low resolution, lower than what I have on the phone. So it might actually not work and I might need to change the monitor. But anyway, enough rambling. Let me try and plug this thing into the phone, the one that I'm already recording with. So I don't know how that will go, if it can actually record or output image while it is recording. Yeah, let's see what happens and go from there. As I somewhat expected, the resolution is above what this thing can actually display. Let me see if I have another monitor at hand. Okay, so we have another bigger monitor, although still really old. Let's plug that one into this and plug into the phone at this point and see what we get. Probably it will stop recording. We do have an image. Ta-da! Obviously it's rotated, so I must investigate how I can fix that thing, but we do have an image. This thing is working exactly what I need, but I need to get the rotation working. I need landscape, and I obviously need another screen which is 16 by 9 in aspect. But as you can see, proof of concept, this thing will work, which is awesome. Hey, this thing can do even more. As you can see, I can have this outputting from my phone and at the same time recording with my phone and doing anything else. So I can use my phone's screen as a touchpad and a keyboard when I need to enter text, which is kind of awesome. But I still can't rotate the image when filming. I can rotate it in any other app, but not the camera app. Yeah, I think I need a monitor that has it in the menu to rotate the image itself. So yeah, this is going to be interesting. What I can say for sure until now is that this thing is awesome. I just need to figure out a way to use it for my particular purpose, and I think it's a limitation of my Huawei P30 Pro because it's not able to rotate the camera app itself. It rotates any other app, but the camera app will not rotate on the screen. On the phone screen it does rotate like any other app, but on the monitor, the second screen, it does not rotate. So that is a software limitation. Maybe with the next upgrade of Android that will work. If it doesn't, I'm gonna search for a monitor that has a built-in rotation mode. And yeah, obviously I need to replace the monitor on my wall because this one is not able to handle the high resolution. I had problems with resolution with this monitor over time, and it seems at this point it has really caught up with me and I need to replace it. So this video will continue when I fix this particular situation for me. But again, this is awesome. You can even have a desktop experience by using this thing, which is perfect, or at least on my Huawei P30 Pro. So yeah. Yeah, it's been a while since I filmed the start of this video. Still did not find any proper solution to rotate the image in the camera app. Rest of the apps work perfectly. Camera app, no matter what I do, will not rotate. And I even upgraded my phone to Android 10 since the first tests. Nope, still the same. So this is an awesome piece of kit. You can turn your phone into a desktop, basically watch movies on your desktop, whatever, wired, but on your desktop, on your TV. But on some models you can actually do that wireless. So anyway, but yeah, sadly I cannot use it for what I wanted to. Maybe I need to find a display that natively is in portrait mode, but I wasn't able to find one up until now, or one that is able to in hardware rotate the image with 90 degrees. Again, didn't find one. The vast majority, or all of them that I found until now, only ask the operating system, Windows, Mac OS, whatever, Linux, to rotate the image. They don't do it in hardware, although it is in the menu. It's not hardware. So yeah, that's that for the moment. Cool little gadget, useless for my intended purpose. If you have any ideas, please write them in the comments. At this point I would try just about anything. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully, I don't know, you helped me find a solution. And yeah, as always, see you in the next one. Bye.